this, try to step with your heel. Because your heel will kind of dig in a little bit.
Oh, it's wet right there. I'm filming, by the way. So if you're in front of me.
Yeah, so look at this. These branches are completely encapsulated in ice all the way around.
Uh-huh. Ah!
Come on, baby.
I'm not going to film while I'm going down these icy rocks. Ed says to dig sideways with your foot.
Come on.
I can't.
Side of your foot, edge.
Oh, this. Like that?
Yeah.
So you
Right
could.
over this way.
Oh, over that way.
And I've already broken it up.
No, you broke it up, so now I'm sliding.
No, you're fine, baby. This edge of your foot and that edge of your foot. Inside of your lower foot, outside of your upper foot. And dig it in.
Okay, I'm digging
See,
it
you're not digging it in. Come on. See, you're doing this. You got to do this.
I think that.
This. Alright. See, flat foot, side of the foot. See, big difference.
Uh-huh. Let me see you do the rest of it.
Alright, come to me, baby. It works.
Yep.
Right there, coming back down the trail.
Oh my goodness, look at this tree.
We came back down over there, it was a little easier. Yeah, the steps are a little bit on the foot side.